All right, so I took a trip to Mexico to do a quick 0-60 pull. This is the 2024 Tacoma. This has the iForce, so it is a hybrid. It's a 2.4 liter turbocharged engine with a small little electric motor as well. All right, so just a quick 0-60 from zero. Here we go. All right. So after driving my Tacoma, it was a Gen 3, which is an NA V6, I could definitely say this is faster. You could feel it. It's not a sports car though. It's still very much a truck. So, you know, it is what it is. But you could feel the difference for sure. I was very curious about that. And, you know, I did a bunch of highway driving so far, a little over an hour of driving on the highway. And unfortunately today you can see there's snow and stuff around. So not the best, you know, situation for seeing what a vehicle can do, but it's definitely different. I will say that there's definitely a lot of positive things, because when this truck was released, I was against it. You know, I'm just not for a turbo small engine. I didn't like anything about it. After driving one, I will definitely say I like it more. All right, guys, back in Mexico for a moment. I realized I did not have it in sport mode. All right, so quick 0-60 in sport. Here we go. All right, not 100% sure if that was that different. I feel like maybe there's a little more torque. I don't know the timing. Maybe it had a better time in sport mode, but I know someone might point that out. So there you go. There's the difference.